It is rare to find a boss that is also a friend, but I have been lucky. Don't get me wrong, he's a thorough professional, but he's also become my friend. I mentioned to him once that I am scared to invest and that most of my money is lying around in a savings account. That day, my boss and my friend both combined into one to teach me a lesson about something I had not noticed until they pointed it out. Do you realize that the 1000 in your savings account would become 800 after just 5 years? When I checked my bank account, it still said 1000. Then he sat down and explained what he meant, that inflation was eating up all my money and that I needed to start investing. Now I understand that inflation affects all of us, but I still wasn't clear as to how it lessened the value of my money. Then my boss explained how. The purchasing power of the unit of currency decreases over time due to various reasons, thereby causing what we refer to as inflation. I learned an important lesson that day. It is important to understand the effects of inflation, more so for us, the young workforce of the country, considering that as we enter the job market, the amount we earn is subject to the power of the purchasing unit. The budget 2022 is expected to remain growth focused, while reliefs such as loss carrying windows, increased limits, and the promotion of affordable housing are expected measures to negate the effects of inflation. I have invested in my savings in inflation adjusted funds since, so that with the help of compounded interest, I am financially secure. I remember my nani saying, पैसे की चमक चली जाती है, पर सोने की नहीं. I realize it now. I am also thankful for a good boss, a true friend, who has given me more than inflation adjusted raises over time. He made me realize the importance of investing. I have him and Nani to thank for all their wisdom. I'll wait for the union budget now and juggle my investments accordingly. समस्या का समाधान, budget पर दो ध्यान. For the complete analysis of the union budget and how it impacts your finances, do log on to the Investonomics page on ICICIdirect.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channels and click on the bell icon to stay updated on all things money.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all related documents carefully before investing.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to never miss an update from ICICI Direct.